I think, ladies and gentlemen, let's formally kick it off. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, honored guests. My name is Chris Late, and on behalf of WASA, the first workplace wellness association in Africa, I welcome you to our first webinar for employers. I want to say a big thank you for you taking the time to join us today. Before we begin, just a few quick reminders. We ask you to use the chat functionality to raise questions and to make comments. We'll respond to all your questions individually at the end. It is my pleasure to introduce George Marks, our chairman. George brings decades of leadership experience in occupational health, employee well-being, and strategic workforce development. He has played a pivotal role in shaping South Africa's wellness landscape, advising corporates, government bodies, and industry associations on how to embed health into business strategy. George is known for his ability to connect data, policy, and human impact, turning wellness from a cost center into a driver of performance. His work helped organizations move from fragmented programs to integrated, measurable well-being strategies. Today, he continues to champion innovation, inclusion, and resilience in the workplace. I've just been informed that George George, is Fonnis, is George on, or can I read his?
Unfortunately not,
Right.
Chris. I think
Okay.
perhaps if I may, I'll be taking care of George's notes, if I may,
Okay.
Chris,
Yes,
because
please.
unfortunately George could not attend. There was a technical problem. So, ladies and gentlemen, a good afternoon. And on behalf of George, our chairperson, I'm going to welcome everybody to today's webinar. And I'm honored to open on George's behalf this vital conversation on the future of workplace well-being. We are starting to understand that workplace wellness is more than employee wellness. It is expanding to company wellness, customer wellness, and community wellness. Our theme today is building resilient workplaces, unlocking the value of employee well-being for sustainable business growth. And it is timely and a very urgent topic. Despite increasing investment in employee wellness programs, medical aid, and gap cover, employee well-being continues to decline. We are facing a paradox: more spending, less impact. Fragmentation, fatigue, and inefficiency are costing us not just money, but also performance and people. Today's session is designed to help us move from reactive programs to integrated strategy. We will explore 5 strategic lenses that align with WASA's vision for workplace wellness: performance, access, strategy, measurement, and prevention. Each lens will be brought to life by a leading expert in the field. We begin with Dr. Jared van Zyndam, who will guide us through the human performance lens. He will introduce the corporate athlete framework and show how recovery, nutrition, and mental decompression are not perks, but performance drivers. Next, Dr. Reinder Nauta will speak on expanding access. He will address the missing middle of uninsured employees and share scalable models for workplace-based primary care. Then we will hear from Nozuku Motswiane, who will tackle the employer imperative. She will demonstrate how to move from fragmented efforts to integrated strategy using WASA's wellness wheel and climate study tool. From there, we shift to measurement with Dr. Rika Viljoen, who will unpack the return on investment and value of investment of wellness. She will show how data can elevate wellness from a side initiative to a boardroom priority. We will then hear from Alan Fritz, a leading voice in preventative health, who will explore prevention as performance. You'll share examples of proactive interventions that reduce long-term costs and improve productivity. Finally, Christine Osborne will speak on modern employee assistance programs. She will show how to activate EAPs as strategic assets, moving beyond hotlines to full spectrum support that builds trust and culture. Each speaker brings not just expertise, but practical tools and real-world examples to help your organization take the next step. This is not just a webinar. It is a call to action. Wellness is not a cost. It is a capability. And through WASA, we can build resilient workplaces that thrive. Thank you for joining us. Let us begin. Back to you, Chris.